So hi, I'm Shravya and this is my husband Suman. We had chosen this place, Sagar Chandramukh Hospital and WMN group doctors as soon as the pregnancy was confirmed. This is our first baby here, and the main thing that came into our mind once this pregnancy was confirmed is one, to see a right hospital and right doctor. Because as the pregnancy progresses, you don't want to change the hospitals, you don't want to change the doctors. So we both we decided to go with Sagar Chandramukh Hospital and with WMN doctors. So coming to the doctors first, we'll be reaching out to Dr. Bhargavi. She has been wonderful, guiding us through the process end to end and what to expect in the next phase and how it is going to be, what changes you might be having, you might be feeling and all. It was clearly explained by Dr. Bhargavi, and a big thanks to her and the patient's level. Yes, as a first-time mother, you will be having so many doubts, so many concerns, and all have been addressed clearly. And also coming to the hospital-wise, so how the doctor is important, similarly the hospital you choose is also as equally important as it is. Everybody have given me a very good review of the hospital, Sagar Chandramukh Hospital, and also the staff, the administration department, and also the nurses have been very great helping. They have been helping a lot, and also they have been very patient enough to answer all the doubts we have. Yes, it was overall amazing and a peaceful experience, I should say. Peaceful because you will be having so much of anxiety and stress and all, but none of it happened. We haven't experienced anything at all. It was a very peaceful, good, memorable journey, I would say. Yes, and there are many things that have been carried out in the hospital, like baby shower was conducted. Didn't expect it, but it was a surprise. It was beautifully conducted, wonderfully organized by the team. And also there was a seminar. So basically for first-time mothers, you want to know what happens after labor, or when do you want to come to the hospital? What is the right time, or what are the contractions like? There are many questions that you'll be having. All that have been addressed in the seminar that was taken up by the doctors, and you know what to expect. Now, once you have the end-to-end knowledge, you will be at least prepared on what to expect. Okay, this is what it is happening. Next step is that the process that is explained is clear, and it is wonderfully organized. So yes, and also another thing that was conducted by the hospital was the exercises. The doctors have prescribed what exercises that you need to follow to deliver normally, and everyone wants to go for a normal delivery. Yes, everybody will have that. What do you say? That you want to have a normal delivery. Everybody pushes to have a normal delivery. So that exercise part, which was explained here, has helped us greatly. And also my husband keep pushing me to do the exercises daily. So yes, it was a great support from the hospital and the team as well. And then after delivery, the lactation consultant and how to the NICU part of the baby had an experience. It was smooth, and everything happened quick, fast. Now that if I recall. But yes, everything was a peaceful and amazing journey.
When it comes to pregnancy and choosing hospital, doctor, as a husband, I thought of only one thing, like mom and baby should be happily coming home back. So her comfort was my decision making there. So with that, like when we recently, when we firstly visited Sagar Chandramukh, and when we visited Dr. Bhargavi, she was very confident and she was very comfortable with the doctor. That is where we have first said okay to proceed with the hospital. And then when it comes to second point, when it comes to the hospital to choose, like we see how actually it is, the infrastructure is, how the support was given, and how the duty doctors were here, and how the overall, how actually the hygiene comes into picture. So overall, when we visited, we have visited the room, we have visited the hospital overall, and we felt very comfortable here. And it is just and also it is only mother and care hospital. It is not much crowded, like the floating crowd will be there. And there are many other points which I can say is, like as she said, like the sessions were very helpful. As a husband, what I have to know how to take her, it's like almost like 30 to 40 minute journey from my home to hospital. So I was little worried, like how I can pick her, like what is the time that I can get her to the right time to the hospital. So that was well explained to me, so that I was not much confused. That has helped me to handle the situations very clearly, and what things to be packed prior. The list was given by the hospital. The baby package and the mother package was how to be handled. That was given very clearly. So we were well planned, and we have placed everything packed and placed in the car, and we were waiting for the situation. So all those things went very smoothly because the pre-sessions or the list that were given from the hospital was very much knowledgeable, and we were able to take the things very smoothly. And also when it comes to memories, as she said, like we had an unexpected baby shower here when we just visited hospital for a normal consultation, and we had a surprise baby shower going on, and we were given a chance to participate with it. Like there were many activities, and it is a very memorable thing that we have got an unexpected thing. And also after baby, the mom and baby was very safe, and we have went back home with a package of happiness. So we wanted to capture all those stuff. So with this hospital, we don't need to search for a different photographer, like we already have a photographer placed here. So that was also a very good point. I mean, before going home, after going home, it will be very other things comes into picture. Taking the photographs and other stuff will be very complicated. But before going to home, we have captured the photos, captured our memories from the hospital, and it was very great journey. And overall, the experience was amazing. And anyone expecting babies, I recommend Sagar Chandrama.
Yeah, huge shout out to the Sagar Chandram Hospital and WRN doctors. Thank you.